Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery in your Porsche key fob. So the first thing you'll need to do is take the key fob and flip it over. And you can see this little switch right here. You're just going to go ahead and push it up, and then you can pull the key out. You don't want to pull it all the way out. What you're going to do is once it's halfway out, you're just going to go ahead and push up to take this cover off. And then the battery will just pop right out. So the battery you'll need is a CR2032. When reinstalling it, you'll just put the new battery in, and then you'll take the cover. You'll put the front in just like that first, and then you can push it down until it snaps in. And then you'll take the key and you'll put it right back in the slot and push it in until it clicks. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.